Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, let us solve problems on composition of functions. The problem show that f of g of h equal to f of g of h, where f of x equal to x minus 4, g of x equal to x square, and h of x equal to 3x minus 5. Let me take the LHS, that is f of g of h. Now let me take the brackets first, that is f of g of x into h of x. Now in place of g of x, I am going to put x square. So f of x square into h of x. Now f of x is nothing but x minus 4. Therefore x square minus 4 into h of x. Now h of x is nothing but 3x minus 5. So in place of x, I am going to put 3x minus 5. So 3x minus 5 the whole square minus 4. Now use the identity a minus b the whole square. So 9x square minus 30x plus 25 minus 4. On further simplification, I get 9x square minus 30x plus 21. This is my LHS. Now come to the RHS. It's nothing but f of g of h. Brackets is for g of h. So f of g of h of x. So in place of h of x, I'm going to substitute 3x minus 5. Now f of g of 3x minus 5 is nothing but, we know g of x is x square. So I'm going to put in place of x as 3x minus 5. So f of 3x minus 5 the whole square. Now we know that f of x is nothing but x minus 4. So in place of x, I'm going to put 3x minus 5 the whole square. So 3x minus 5 the whole square minus 4. Now use the identity a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 4. Now final step gives me 9x square minus 30x plus 21, where LHS equal to RHS. So friends, was this not interesting and easy? Then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.